Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 6 Lander Crescent in North Bowmanville. This home is perfectly located near to tons of amenities, schools, shops, and parks. I can't wait for you to see the entire tour. This freehold townhome is the former builder's model suite. It has beautiful upgrades throughout, including hardwood flooring, a gas fireplace, crown molding, and smooth ceilings. Your chef's kitchen has been highlighted with upgraded cabinets, undermount lighting, a pantry, granite counters, a custom backsplash, overlooking your eat-in area with walkout to your own private yard. Your oak staircase leads to the second floor. We have a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Your primary suite overlooks your backyard and offers a walk-in closet and 3-piece ensuite bath. The lower level has been completely finished and offers additional family rec space, a potential 4th bedroom, and enough space for a home office with plenty of storage. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.